Hello, I'm Chef Kingsley. Today I'll be cooking our baked chicken breast with Greenfields Mozzarella Cheese. Greenfields Mozzarella Cheese is made from Greenfields 100% fresh milk. It is perfectly balanced to melt at the right temperature for perfect stringiness. It has a mild and delicious flavor that does not overpower the other ingredients. We're gonna marinate the chicken breast. Now, as you can see, for the chicken breast, I already made a few cuts so that the marination will be easier to go in. So we're gonna marinate with some chopped garlic, mix ups. Okay, we have sugar, we have our salt, our oil, and as well as our balsamic vinegar. Now with all the ingredients added in, we're going to marinate the chicken breast and we leave it aside for marination for about 10 minutes. And there we have the marinated chicken breast. Marination has gone into the chicken itself. We'll see it in about 10 minutes. We're going to place some sliced onion on our baking tray, and as well as we have these cherry tomatoes. So after 10 minutes of marination, we're going to put our chicken breast on top of it. So after placing everything onto the tray, we're gonna send in to the ovens for baking. We preheated the ovens at 180, and then we're gonna bake it for about 15 minutes. Very nice smell. Oh, wow. And look at that color. So nice and brown. Just bring the chicken breast aside. We're gonna mix up the onions and tomatoes. Next, we're gonna put back the breast on top of the bit of onions and tomatoes, and we're gonna place our mozzarella, cover it, and then we're gonna send it back to the oven for the melting of the mozzarella. So we're gonna put in the oven, same thing, at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Alright, so the cheese has melted. Wow, look at that. So right now we're gonna let it rest for another about 5 minutes or so. So remember the sliced onion and tomatoes, we're gonna put in the center of the plate, and we're gonna slice this up. And lastly, we're gonna use some of our chopped parsley for garnish. And there it, we have our baked chicken breast with the mozzarella block.